Welcome back. Indus Towers is slipping, now down nearly 5.5%. Pull up that intraday chart, and the key reason is despite a robust Q4, the street is disappointed by the lack of a dividend announcement. What they have done instead is constituted a subcommittee to explore options for returning cash to the shareholders. You know, the street was very, very hopeful about an Indus Tower dividend. The reason is because Indus Towers was a cash-rich company. They used to pay dividends till 3 years back. Then 3 years back, they stopped paying dividends. So basically, 23, 24, FY25, there were no dividends because the company had a lot of receivables from Vodafone Idea. But prior to that, it always paid a dividend, and the dividend payout ratios were fairly healthy. But now this year, after Vodafone Idea raised the QIP, then the government converted their stake, the receivables from Vodafone Idea to Indus Towers kept declining. So therefore, the street became hopeful because their cash flow is now improving and they are in a position to give money back to the shareholders in terms of a dividend. So the street was hopeful, and the stock in a way also got re-rated. You know, the 52-week low was June last year of 292. From there, the stock rallied more than 30%. In the last 3 years, it's up nearly 90%. And if you look at the free cash flow number, there you have it. It has substantially improved. Next year, it won't look this good because, this year had this lump sum Vodafone Idea receivables, which, they got back. But the numbers, the free cash flow was very strong. So therefore, the street was hopeful. That said, all hope is not lost. Brokerages are basically saying that it didn't come this time, but it will come in the future. So Ambit is saying they expect the company to announce a dividend of 20 rupees per share in the next 6 months. They also anticipate a potential buyback similar to what they did in August of 2024, with the Bharti family unlikely to participate. Both Ambit and IFL have a buy call on Indus Towers because they also see valuations of Indus Towers vis-a-vis global peers is a lot cheaper. IFL's target price is 450, and in that, when you look at the breakup, they have assumed a dividend of 20.5 rupees. So looks like it's coming, but just not,
Just not now, I guess. We're hoping for that sooner or later, I guess, but brokerages...
Hindi mein na, they say, der aaye, but durust aaye. So jab aayega, to then I think, the stock will be supported.
Indeed, we look forward to that, especially the retail shareholders, the smaller shareholders of Indus Towers will be looking forward to that. Either a bonus announcement, which would be the first one for the company, the buyback, which they had done last year, or a possible dividend announcement, which they haven't given in the last 3 years. But for now, 6% lower on Indus Towers, giving up some of the gains that it has had over the last 1 month. But Miresh Thakkar is joining in now